Hello world, today is Thursday, July 10th, 2025. It's 3:12 p.m. I am in Phuket, Thailand in my hotel room, and this is another vlog. It's a 10 minutes unedited talk about what is top of mind. Try to do these every day and summarize like what are the key most important things that I did or thought about or realized in the past day. Today I am focusing on building Luminolog, and like the sales approach on this is like, well, luminolog.com is a website. It's a startup that has a built-in AI chatbot into your journals. And so I am reviving this app and really going after this grand vision of being the go-to like AI second brain app essentially. And that means like having all the chats, having also like this kind of video journal where you talk to the camera and analyzes your emotions and transcribes your text, and so it becomes a second brain as kind of your kind of a note tool. It's a journaling daily journaling tool, notes taking, chat has all the chats in there, and it also has like web search and long-term memory and these AI characters that are like your mentors. And when you do daily video journals, you have a running chat with all your mentors in there. So it's meant to help you improve yourself. It's all about self-improvement and personal growth. And this is tracked through like a daily check-in where you give yourself a score out of like 6 attributes. So I'm like working on the details, but the sales pitch and like the sales perspective on like what I'm selling is like really about self-improvement, radical self-improvement in any area, like all the areas of your personal, professional life and intellectual life. So it also has like tools for researching for scientists. So it's really about like thinking through things and writing and self-reflection and self-knowledge through the journals. So my goal is to have like the iOS app out by tomorrow in the App Store. It's very ambitious. But the idea is that it's going to be called Lumi. Luminolog.com is the URL, and so I'm going to rebrand it as Lumi. So that's one topic. The second topic is like I'm going to live stream like all my coding, just because it's such a leverage you give yourself such a leverage by expanding your presence online. Oops, I just had a blister on my toe. By expanding your presence online and showing everybody like your skills, and then all these people see like you're talented at this, you can do this, and hey, that's what I need you to help me with this. And so there you go, you already have a client, and at the same time you prove you have a track record of this is what you've been doing, and it just compounds. You just build on top of the things that you know these things, and then you expand and grow your knowledge based on the solid foundation of having public track record of your knowledge, expertise, discoveries, accomplishments. That's why streaming, vlogging, video content, blog content is super critical. So that feeds into like my next topic, AugMe. So this was the hackathon project I created at East Global Cannes. It's fucking amazing. I just love it. And pushing it out to the App Store as an iOS app, that's one thing. So it's a Next.js app first. So I'll look into how I can convert a Next.js app to a Swift app. We'll see. And then creating the web app and like just go through crypto rails. That's this MVP 1. MVP 2 is iOS app on Swift, or converting Next.js to that. And onboarding first like 10 users, and like making the experience more seamless about creating consistent characters, and then creating whole reels from prompt. You have a consistent character that's like your AI influencer. It has a personality and has its social media channels, and then boom, it auto generates ideas, does research for your niche and your brand voice, and it creates drafts of content for you. Then you just tap on whatever post you want to create, then it generates the image or the video, the short video. So it's like an AI UGC creator. There's massive leverage there. So I will use that to market the the Augme app and the Luminolog or Lumi app and Manifestly. And then Manifestly is I have to strip it down of all of its components. It's right now a super app, and I'm just going to strip it down to like ask your future self a question, and you get like a conversation with your future self. Next thing is Ava Creator as being this easy to use all-in-one AI art platform. And so this one's really exciting, and I will create this kind of like backend that goes from prompt to short form video. And I'm just going to create this service that I'm just going to be able to use, and I'm just going to like use the same backend. So I think I'm thinking to just like use that on beagentic.com and just make that Beagentic as like a central API repository of like all these services. Like it will generate blogs for you. Just give it the voice, the topics, and the content. It will generate short form reels for you. Just create the prompt and all the configurations of what type you want. And it will, so these are the two, blogs and AI reels. This is like Beagentic. So I'm going to resurface really Beagentic. And so that's a lot of, and I will like live stream coding and then like live stream demos. And then I will like try other apps to see like what are the best apps in the space. So I'm just going to like be really setting these goals of like launching like app review videos and create like a channel for that. And so really like the AI, the platform Augme, Augme, the AI influencer kind of generator, is going to be used for like my personal brand. And my personal brand is like stuff like this, my travels, like thoughts about startups and my life coding, and like that's going to be about showing you back showing the process of creating a startup and startups and AI apps, and all the work that goes into it, the marketing, the sales, the coding. And so I'm going to have like links to all my apps and like do demos of them and talk about the process of building them here, and also talk about like Muay Thai, the traveling, living in Thailand. I got one of these like things to smell. Clears your nose and sinuses. It makes you breathe more deeply. What a magical land Thailand is. Like I've been walking around. Today I went to the beach and I just went on a walk, and I had an Americano, and I journaled, and I did my gratitude like practice. I went across the street to get this like delicious pad thai from the street vendor. This one old lady is like running the shop, and the menu like looks delicious. Everything looks delicious. I picked up pad thai, and it was the best pad thai I've ever had. Absolutely perfect. And while it was being made, I just like pulled out my laptop, connected to my hotspot on my phone, and I was like already coding. I was like already working. And I was like already getting start on the running Luminolog locally, and like just creating a new journal. Like I'm dog feeding a Luminolog. And I'm using it every day. It's like, and I missed using it. Like Lumi as like a personal second brain. It's massively valuable. Like it's so good. So I'm glad I'm finally using it again. Like as a journal, as a notepad, as organizing your thinking. And I know that if I just have the vision of like how impactful it could be as big as ChatGPT and bigger, as big as ChatGPT, Claude, Cozy, all these combined, like I can make an app as big as ChatGPT. Like understand that, like, but it's not going to be easy. You have to understand that it's a race, it's a competition, but you have to believe it in yourself that you can be the best. There's a lot of people like gunning for this, so there's like combining all these things like perplexity ability, like fucking perplexity, like searches, like this multi prompt savings, prompt sharing, prompt marketplace, your AI characters marketplace, this emotional analysis. Like it needs a lot of work, but also with a lot of selling. Like it's really about getting like it as a lifestyle, that and how it really radically accelerates your rate of self-improvement, that's perfect. Like, and then do some research papers on it and position it and find the target audience, like scholars, like startup founders, like people that, the kind of people that just want to find the best AI to help them work in a, like a general sense, like better than ChatGPT, like, because it has all the AI models and it's just really easily accessible. And every time a new one comes out, it's just fresh, new, right there for you. So it's a lot of work, but it's definitely a $1 trillion opportunity. So just focus on that. So thank you for listening. As always, ending the vlog with a couple minutes of silent, peaceful love and compassion exercise, sending love and compassion out to you, sending the thoughts of and vibrations of love and compassion. Thank you for watching.